Alright, so we have here a heat shield. I don't know what vehicle it came off from, but it's perfect to mock up for my heat shield for my brake booster and master cylinder. So, what I'm going to do, instead of going to Lowe's and getting a sheet of aluminum, I'm taking this pipe, I am cutting it, which I already did down the middle. I'm going to cut here off, put it in the vise, flatten it out to make a bracket to put on this. And see where those holes are? Pretty much lines up. Yep. There's some holes in there. When I go home, bend it where I need it to, I bolt it to the car. I already got a location picked out. So let me get to doing that. And when I get home, we got some unboxing to do also. So it is somewhat flat. It's good. I just use the 20-ton press to kind of flatten it. So I'm going to put my bend in, drill the holes for the heat shield, and when I get home I'll mark it, see where exactly I need to cut that bolt. Just got home with my heat shield and the bracket I made today. I'm gonna show you guys exactly. So right here is where I'm gonna bolt it. Here, and also there'll be a bracket going up towards the firewall. I need to find somewhere up here to tap into, possibly down here where it's holding the AC line. Yes, I'll still be running AC. All right. So I need to do some measurements and everything. Cleaned up, got my room. So as you can see, I had two to choose from because this one was pliable, easy to bend. I chose to use this one. All right, as you can see, we got this piece bolted up to the car, right here. The body. What I'm gonna do is down in here. Let me turn the light on. This piece right here, that hole is gonna screw into this one right here, and go back and fasten with a nut to this right here. Alright guys, there you have it. It's in place. Alright, bolted right here. I'm gonna take this to work tomorrow. I'll flatten this down some more, clean up the edges. Might put a curve on here coming up, make this clean. And as you can see, bolted in there onto the product cable. Camera will focus. It's bolted in there. Just have a nut on it. There's gonna be a fight to get it off and on, but I don't see me doing that too much. So, see here, homemade heat shield. If it's your first time, you haven't seen, go back, watch the install, all 3 parts on this. But hey, we got a heat shield. So, brake booster, master cylinder, we'll keep the heat away from it. Alright. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Next time you see this heat shield, it'll be a different color. If I can find a high heat silver, that's what it's gonna be to help to go along with everything else in the engine bay. Install. Appreciate you guys watching as always. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video.